Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with two questions from angles and measurements. It is basically trigonometry's subtype. So here we have the question. First one: if x radian is equal to 405 degrees and y degrees is equal to negative of pi by 12 radian, find x and y. See, for finding x and y, this radian and degree is having conversion factor, and here x is given in radian and its other value is given in degree, so we have to convert this in same pattern as if it is in radian we have to convert in radian, it is in degree we have to convert it into degree. So for first question, solution: x radian is equal to 405. As it is in degree, we are multiplying by pi by 180. After multiplying, give the symbol of radian. So 405 into pi by 180 radian, that will be equal to 9 pi by 4 radian. Similarly, y degrees is equal to negative of pi by 12 radian, that can be written as negative of pi by 12 into 180 by pi degrees, as we are converted into degrees. So that will be equal to negative of 15 degrees. So we get values as x is equal to 9 pi by 4 and y is equal to negative of 15. See, we have to calculate x and y. Here it was not given in which standard, that is the radian or degree, just we have to calculate the values. So here are the values. Now our next sum is theta is equal to theta degrees is equal to negative of 5 pi by 9 radian, and phi radian is equal to 900 degrees. Find values of theta and phi. So here we have to convert this radian into degrees, as the given question is in degrees, and here we have to convert this 900 into radian as the given in the question. So here with solution, second solution: theta degrees is equal to negative of 5 pi by 9 into 180 by pi. As we are converting this radian to degrees, so you have to use this conversion factor, and here theta degrees will be equal to negative of 100. So negative of 100 degrees. Now 5 is equal to 900 into 5 radian is equal to 900 pi by 180 radian, so that will be equal to 5 pi radian. So we have got the values, so just we have to remove the standard values, standard, that is degree and radian. So theta is equal to negative of 100 and phi is equal to 5 pi. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study with me. Thank you.